It was inevitable. I've gotten a few dings, a few rock scratches on my car. I don't have PPF. I don't think it's worth the upfront cost. It really doesn't protect you from the bigger scratches anyways. But recently I bought this paint repair kit and I've done a lot of research on how to use it, so I'm doing a quick guide today. A lady with her truck actually hit my car, scratched it up a little bit, but luckily she left a note on my windshield and she reimbursed me for this. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'll show you how to apply this. Here is the Tesla paint repair kit. Oh, it is packed on pretty tight. So within the box, you'll see we have a little guide here, paint repair kit. And then there are just a few steps: prep, step 1, apply, and 2 is remove, other languages. So in here we have probably a microfiber cloth. And then in this, there's another cloth, a little glove, and then some paint brushes. So it looks like there's kind of a fine-tuned one and then a bigger one. So we'll be using those. And here we have a little squeegee to wipe away some of the paint as we're putting it on. And then this is the paint. To pick out the right paint, you're going to want to double check on the side of your car door. It should tell you what paint color your car is, so you can match it up when ordering the paint. And then here is kind of a cleaning or blending solution to wipe away some of the excess paint. Here I'm going to speed things up a little bit. Because my scratch is more spread out across the car, I'm applying it directly to where it was scratched. But Tesla does recommend, if you have just a single kind of indent, put it off to the side, and then when you use that flattening brush or the kind of squeegee, that'll squeegee it into the dented area. So here now I'm smoothing out the paint a little bit. Once again, it's kind of a larger area, but the scratches come in all different shapes and sizes. So here, this kind of last step is using the blending solution to smooth out the paint, wipe away some of the excess over the sides. For more specific dents, Tesla just kind of or scratches, Tesla recommends kind of brushing around the outside. So there you have it. That's how you use the Tesla paint kit. It's pretty quick to use. I could have gone over it a few more times to really kind of touch it up and blend it better. But unless you're looking really close, you're not going to see those scratches anymore. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I kept it short and concise. I'd really appreciate you tapping on that like button as well as subscribing. And I hope to see you here again soon.